In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable WhatsApp calls on phone. While WhatsApp doesn't offer a full off switch for all calls, it does include a built-in setting that stops unknown numbers from ringing your phone. This is the most effective way to cut down on spam and unwanted interruptions while still allowing calls from people you know. Let's walk through it together. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version of the app so the setting is available and works as expected. If you haven't updated in a while, a quick visit to your App Store can help avoid confusion later. Next, go to Settings. On many Android phones, you'll find this by tapping the three dots in the top right corner of the main WhatsApp screen and selecting Settings from the menu. On iPhone, look for the Settings tab in the bottom right corner of the app. Either way, you're heading to the same place. Inside Settings, tap Privacy, then open the Calls section. This area controls who can reach you via voice and video inside WhatsApp. It's where WhatsApp groups call-related privacy controls, so you can manage interruptions without changing your chat settings. Now, turn on the option labeled Silence Unknown Callers. Once this is enabled, calls from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts won't ring your phone. Instead, they'll be quietly filtered. You'll still see these attempts in your Calls tab and in your notifications, so you can review them later and call back if something turns out to be important, but you won't be disrupted in the moment. A few practical tips here. If there are people or services you do want to hear from, save their numbers to your contacts so their calls come through normally. This feature only affects WhatsApp calls, not regular cellular calls made through your phone app. So if you're still getting spam on your regular phone line, you'll need to adjust your device's call blocking settings separately. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same privacy call screen and toggle the setting off. It's a single switch, so you can adapt it to your day as needed. Silence unknowns during work hours, then allow all calls later if you're expecting something. And that's it. By opening WhatsApp, heading to settings, going to privacy, and then calls, and turning on silence unknown callers, you'll reduce spam and disruptions while keeping important calls from your contacts ringing through. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your WhatsApp quieter and more focused.